Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is if you're looking at the title of the video. We're going to be discussing everything Milady Memecoin. Speaking about ladies right now, it has absolutely broken out and the excitement is definitely there. And it seems like it does not want to stop at this point, but pretty much everything is pumping right now. But the way ladies is going right now is really, really exciting. And the levels that are being tested are levels that we haven't seen for months and months and months. So let's waste no more time and talk about what's happening with ladies and, of course, what is yet to come. So if we're looking at the price of Miladies right now, you guys can see there's still about 6 zeros in front of the price, which is currently sitting at 143,253, up 40% in all three comparatives. So if you want to stack your ETH, if you want to stack your BTC, you are seeing ladies being the right coin in your portfolio right now, which is probably, carrying your portfolio as of now. And diversification is really, really important because there were coins that pumped up way before ladies, and if you had certain of those coins, your portfolio continues to rise. And this is why diversification is key. And diversification is extremely important. You do not want to have just one single coin in your portfolio. The risk associated with that are extremely, extremely high. So never, never, never have just one single coin in your portfolio. Always diversify. But one thing I want you guys to be looking at right now is the rank for Miladies. It's entering into the top 300. And this is very, very exciting. Looking at its market cap, 126.1 million, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $17.6 million. Absolutely madness. If you don't know the history behind Miladies, this was one of the very few projects that launched around the Pepe's time, which did have a lot of traction. But of course, we saw a massive consolidation. Pretty much bear market was still happening throughout the year of 2023, and ladies did see a huge retracement after having a tremendous upwards rally as it launched. But if you watched my updates throughout 2023, you guys have noted that ladies held at a specific level really, really strong compared to some of these other coins that launched during the same times. And as far as announcement goes, guys, there's no such announcement that has come out for ladies as of now. But one thing I gotta give to this community and the team that's running this project is their continuation to engage. And that's hurting Pepe right now. Look at it right now. Let's go look at Pepe for example. So pretty much the entire market right now is pumping, but Pepe is not even in the top 100. And it's not even seeing that much traction coming into it. And reason as to why this is the case is the same reason I've continuously over and over said on my channel. The team that's running behind Pepe is taking it too comfortably. They are taking this entire engagement for granted. And another project is going to come and take over its momentum. And there is another kid that's on the block that has gone and taken over Pepe's overall, market structure or market hype, whatever you want to call it, as far as meme coins are concerned. As you guys know, Pepe was labeled as a meme coin of the cycle, being listed on all the major exchanges, pretty much. And the interest level from investors is not there anymore. Not to the extent as to where we used to see it at. And as of now, Bonk is seeming to be like it's gonna be the meme coin of the cycle, the rate it's going. And of course, Coinbase coming and listing it as well. And it's not just it's built on Solana, this and that. The way the community is engaging with their viewers is extremely, extremely unique. And you can see this for yourself. Bonk right now, if I were to show you, is ranked at the top 64 spot with a market cap of $1.2 billion. Absolutely madness. But let's take a look at Miladies. What I gotta give Miladies team is they're way better than Pepe's team, in my opinion. And I've said this literally from the beginning. You guys can go watch any of my Milady updates. I've said this from the beginning. They are doing what a meme coin team should be doing, at least just tweeting. And that's what they're doing right now. And they've been continuously doing this. And this is giving them an advantage, a huge advantage against Pepe. So you guys can see the holder count is increasing, 16,743 holders. Of course, seen an increase over the past 24 hours, which again should not be a surprise at this point because we are seeing pretty much everything pumping right now, and ladies is seeing a lot of traction, which is going to bring organic new eyes to it, and of course those eyes are investors. So new investors coming in, a lot of excitement. And speaking about excitement, we're retesting some levels we haven't seen pretty much since May of this year. So we're talking about 9 to 10 months almost. So let's take a look at what exactly is next. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, yesterday the price was around this 1022 zone. And if you guys watched my previous update, I said pretty much there's no resistance out there for ladies right now until pretty much the 1717 zone. Or maybe might see a little bit of a cool off around this 1600 zone. Because if you pretty much look at it, this project just ran back when it was launched in May, and then shortly after that a huge correction and a consolidation phase, pretty much sitting below around this 32.28 zone for pretty much months and months. And if you just bought this literally on November 30th, you're up right now a staggering 344%. And this is why meme coins can change the entire outlook on your portfolio, can carry your portfolios. And this is why we do see a lot of interest coming into other meme coins. Meme coins are seen as an asset class when it comes to crypto. People like having meme coins in their portfolios, a certain percentage of it, because sometimes if things are going great for certain meme coins, they can carry your portfolio in times where some of these other coins that you're holding, large cap coins, that might not be able to do that. And what people do is they hold meme coins to make that gain and take those profits and turn it back into the bigger projects that they do have hope for in succeeding in the long haul. Is ladies going to succeed in the long haul in terms of the next 5-10 years? Possibly not. And I know there's a lot of people that are going to come out and say, oh, what are you saying, Crypto ZX? I thought we're really bullish on ladies. But I'm not just going to sit here and say, ladies is going to be one of the top meme coins. I'm not saying that's not a possibility. If we start seeing tier 1 exchanges come in listing, and we also start seeing the Milady team start doing something different. Of course, they're tweeting and they're definitely keeping up with the engagement, which is a huge plus point. Good for them. But with that said, now hear me out. With that said, you still need to somehow bring some sort of utility, maybe staking, maybe different types of events, collabing with some of the big boys. That way, you bring in more traction. So these are some factors you need to keep in mind, and especially if you were one of the few people. And again, hear me out. There's only few people, and a lot of my viewers have been accumulating ladies around this range. And these guys are up about 3 to 4x already, and they deserve these gains. When no one wanted to touch ladies, some people were accumulating and adding it into their portfolio, and they're up right now quite a bit. So congrats to everyone that got in. But let me keep telling you guys this. Entire market is pumping, and at the end of the day, ladies is a meme coin. You always want to be locking some profits in and do not get greedy. I cannot stress this enough. But at this point, ladies has so much momentum for itself. I would not be surprised if it were to go to the 1600 zone, this massive resistance that's coming up. And if that's able to clear up, guys, we're about to retest 1827 resistance. You can see pretty much I've had this drawn pretty much since May of this year. If it's able to cross out of that, then we enter the all-time high zone. And you can come out and say, oh, this massive red wick was its all-time high. No, that wasn't. That's a listing wick. I don't consider that an all-time high. All-time high for ladies is at this 1840 zone, and I think we could be retesting that all-time high sooner than a lot of people think. That's just a move of about 30%. And if it's able to do this, guys, a lot of eyes are about to go into ladies, and I think we could start attracting some bigger exchanges. And let's go take a look at which exchanges has ladies currently listed on. So let's take a look at that market. So crypto.com, huge, and we have KuCoin, Gate.io, BingX, but we're missing likes of OKX, what's another one? Kraken, Binance, Coinbase. So those are some big names. And if even one of them came and listed this, I think we are about to see something ladies do that no one has imagined. But also, these exchanges are also a huge reason as to why we do tend to see these massive spikes, because at the end of the day, they do hold, a certain percentage of the supply. And speaking about futures trading, you can see this for yourself. There is significant volume coming from futures as well. So you guys want to be very, very cautious. The entire market is pumping right now. Of course, gains can be made, and this is a perfect example as to why, meme coins are so popular. But you want to be very cautious. When you see life-changing gains, do lock those in. But we're about to retest very critical levels, and 1840, if that's able to break out, I think fireworks can begin. But, do expect a little bit of a retracement around those resistance levels. So we will take it one step at a time. Obviously, take a look at BTC as well. But wow. Insane gains being made. And honestly, I want ladies to battle it out with Pepe. Same projects around the same time. And if it were to go to the level of Pepe, let me just take a look at that. So Pepe has a 600 million mark, so around a 4.5x from the current price levels to match Pepe. Can ladies do that? If it's able to do that, I will actually just go speechless. But I can't write it off. Again, I cannot write it off. You can't write anything off at the end of the day, especially when momentum is on its side. But be very cautious. Like I said, lock some profits in if you have made some insane gains. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.